Good afternoon, Standard 10, Subject English, Lesson number 2.2. The boy who broke the bank. Yesterday we learnt a part of the passage from the book. Today I tell you a passage on this part. So read the passage carefully and complete the activities. Even simple factual activities. Who am I? Who am I? I am the hairdresser. Second, I sell beetles. Who said to whom? Second point. The word has flown. The word has flown. Second, the Pimpanagar bank is about to collapse. Next, third point, complete the following sentence using the information from the passage. First sentence, Govind Ram dash. Second sentence, the rumor about collapse of the Pimpanagar bank spread through the bazaar with the dash. Third, the photography shop was just next to dash. Next sentence, the elderly gentleman ran out of the barber shop and dashed for his office and checkbook. And next sentence, the elderly gentleman called a bird to dash. So page number 3, page number 50-51. Horse that said Kamal Kishore dash sitting on the pyramid. So A2, complex factual activities. Question, how did the news spread everywhere? This is big question. Second question, write in your own words a few sentences about Sheikh Govinda Ram. This is second question. Now A3, activity based on vocabulary. Make a list of customers of the bank. Then second point, match the words in column A with their meaning in column B. A column, A awful, B nectar, C beline, D rapidity of fire. Column B, 1. The direct route. Second, the act of happening quickly. Third, cut slightly. And fourth, shocking. A4. Next question, A4. Activity based on contextual grammar. Rewrite the following sentence joining with when, where, which, why. Sentence, Pimple Nagar Bank has stopped paying its employees, full stop. It is about to collapse. It is about to collapse. So use correct word from the question. The second point, do as directed. Mr. Kishore said, Deep Chan, have you heard the latest change into indirect speech? So this is verbal question. You know that. At first we used a reporting verb asked. Who said Mr. Kishore? To whom Deepchand means Mr. Kishore asked Deepchand. Conjunction if or whether. Make the simple sentence from verbal question. Have you have her the latest. This is simple sentence and we change you means he, Deepchand, had heard the latest. So write the answer of this sentence. Then second, he sped across the road to the general merchant store for stop. There was a telephone there. Join the sentence with where. So write the sentence correctly. Drop the there here. Then next up, the set was holiday in Kashmir. Underline Kashmir. Frame a WH type question to get the underlined word as an answer. And last question, a 5 personal response. Why do you think did the elderly gentleman rush to his office for a checkbook? So solve these all questions in your notebook as well as in your workbook and complete it and read it again and again. Now we stop.